Rob Vivian here from Rob Vivian Coaching. Thank you for taking a few minutes and watching this short video. We're going to give your office an opportunity to buy some discounted tickets for our Extreme Event 10 coming up July 11 and 12 at the Ajax Convention Center. Of course, it's our 10th anniversary. It's going to be an epic event. We're going to have prizes every hour, on the hour. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to have a lot of our clients on stage with me, probably 50% of the time. They'll be sharing exactly what they do to be super productive. In my time speaking, I'll be sharing success secrets and success principles. I'll be using portions of my third book, Success Explosion, which will be released at the event. And so the cost for this event is $199. We're going to give you a chance to get some discounted tickets. So for $500, you can have 20 tickets. That's $25 a ticket. Or for $1,000, you can have 50 tickets. That's $20 a ticket. That's a lot less than $199. So although we wouldn't need your list by May 31st, that's how long this offer is alive until. So sometime between now and May 31st, just reach out to us. All of the information is on the flyer, and let us know that you would like to purchase those tickets. We could get the people a little bit later, but we need to know because this event is definitely going to sell out. So if you would like to bring your realtors to our event and get them jacked up so they don't take the whole summer off, reach out to us. Thanks for your time. Have an awesome day.
What a great opportunity for these realtors to learn so much. Rob has been in his business for many, many years, and he's put a real spin on how things are done.
I find it very inspiring, and I'm happy to have come to this event.
So it's been a great program, and I would recommend any realtor to take up this coaching.
But something awesome did happen. This was a fabulous event.
So it was a great coaching event, we really enjoyed it, super excited.
Actually, I got a 3 leads right now when I was having my lunch. I think everybody has seen they're going to learn a lot. So if you haven't joined up today, get on it right now.
Something awesome is going to happen today. Something awesome is going to happen today.
Awesome.